My name is Larisa Faber. I'm a Luxembourgish Romanian writer, director and performer, and I will be taking my show Bollock Naked to the Edinburgh Fringe this year as part of the first ever official Luxembourgish selection. My brain is buffering. Bollock Naked is a multimedia comedy about reproductive shelf life, about the pressure of the biological clock and abortion stigma. We tell the story in the show by using video mapping, very detailed, intricate video mapping on the body, and a live score of gynecological instruments. So if you've ever been to the gynecologist and you've met the speculum, this metal duck, that's what we'll be using to make music. So we feel like we shouldn't just have the speculum shoved up our vag, we can also use it to make music too. There is also a song about omelette as a sort of a cheeky nod about what else you can do with your eggs, your ovaries. And there is a singing and dancing brain in the show. The show will be on at Assembly Roxy downstairs for the whole month from the 2nd to the 28th of August at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Tuesdays are our days off and Wednesdays are when we have relaxed performances. If you've never seen theatre from Luxembourg, or if you wonder what's theatre from Luxembourg like, then come see the show.